and we had a fabulous program, very well attended. We had a full house, full 2 days. We had a lot of senior faculty coming from all over the world.
Yeah, it was great to be part of ScanFest 2023, a fabulous conference, great learning.
As a chairperson, I have thoroughly enjoyed both giving the lectures and listening to the various lectures of national and international faculties.
It has been a fantastic 2 days course, brilliantly arranged.
I must also thank Mindray for supporting such academic activities.
Mindray has supported this event fully, and Mindray of late has not only supported this event but several educative programs in ultrasound in the country, and we are really grateful to them for this.
I'm extremely thankful to Mindray for arranging this conference.
More importantly, my first exposure to this brand new machine, fantastic machine. I had a very good opportunity to scan on a patient, and I'm fully convinced that this is a machine that's going to go a long way.
And as far as the obstetrics is concerned, today Mindray machines are at par with any other machine in the world.